This is Dr. Neufeld with a quick explanation of how to work out some extra points here on this website, The True Size Of. First thing, if you will, catch this quick video here on how this works. It's showing you here in this video, you type in the name of a place, a country in the world, and then you drag it around and it will tell you its real size. And it gets larger and smaller. So watch this video. I'm going to give you an example of how it works. First of all, remember we're comparing maps, paper maps with globes. And the Mercator map is one used the most, paper map, but it's inaccurate because the further a country is to the north and south, the more inaccurate the size. It's good in the shape, but not the size. And one good example, in fact, I'm going to move here. I don't know why these were on here, but I'm going to move these countries out of the way, and I'm going to show you another example. Remember how when we look at a paper map, it always looks like up here that Greenland is a huge country. And we actually believe that when we see it on a paper map. But if you look at a globe, it's not that big. So how are we going to do this? I'm going to type in here Greenland. And when I type it in and press return, now it's going to put the border around the country. Now I can drag this country around and compare its real size on a globe map to places around the world. And first I'm going to compare it with Africa because, again, when we look at it here, it looks as big or bigger than Africa. But when I bring down Greenland, look at that. Greenland is about 1/4 the size of Africa. But on a paper map, on a flat map like this, it shows its real size. Okay, let's even compare it, say, to India. Okay, Greenland is about the size of India, but it doesn't look like it on this map. What about the United States? Let's drag it over. Now, if you want, go here to the corner, north, south, east, west, and you could turn it to make it fit even more. Now, look at that. Greenland looks like about half the size of the United States. Yet when we look at the paper map, it is much larger. So your extra credit is I'd like for you to choose 5 different places, compare it with one place like Greenland, or compare Canada, or another good one could be Russia. Compare Russia with the rest of the world, because remember it's towards the north. It looks huge. Let's bring it down to China. Okay, yes, it's bigger than China. What about Australia? Okay, it's bigger than Australia. What about the United States? Okay, yes, it's bigger than the United States, but it looks like it's 4 times the size of the United States. It looks like maybe it's double the size. So choose one country to the north or the south and drag it around and see how big it is and compare it with 5 other places. That's where you can get your extra points. Thanks, and I'm glad you're checking this out.